Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you a highly requested video. You guys, I know you have been asking me for the longest time to film a dedicated dark spot or hyperpigmentation routine, especially for the face. Like, what do I do to get rid of it quickly? And I'm so sorry because I know, like, I've been saying I'm gonna do it, and here I am doing it. So I'm going to be taking you guys through step by step on the products that I use to get rid of any kind of like hyperpigmentation on my face, what I do to keep it clear, and also like when I do get dark spots or I do get hyperpigmentation, the products that basically help me to get rid of it. So when it comes to brightening any part of your face or your body, you need to look for brightening ingredients. There's no way you're going to start using cleansers that don't have some form of brightening agent in them, because it's not going to do anything for your skin, basically. So when I talk about brightening agents, I'm talking about things that basically are meant to brighten your skin. So these are things like vitamin C. That is a very known brightening agent. Vitamin C is meant to brighten your skin. It's meant to clear out, even out your skin. You've also got kojic acid, you've got glycolic acid as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into step number one. Now, step number one is a cleanser. You want to find yourself a good cleanser that brightens the skin. So I've been using the Nuetrogena Clear and Radiant Face Wash. So this one has vitamin C in it. So remember what I was saying about look for specific ingredients that will brighten your skin. And this one is the one that I have been using, and it's been really good for my skin. I basically apply this to my face and my neck. I'm going to show you guys just how I do that. So basically I just had to like wet my face with like a tub in front of me, just because I'm not in front of my sink. So then I go in with a few pumps of this. So just literally like 3 pumps is what I use. But recently what I've started doing is using a face sponge. It just makes my skin feel really nice and soft afterwards, and the sponges are very soft as well. Guys, so that's my cleansing all done. So what I'm going to do now is go and rinse my skin. But yeah, this feels really good. Like I said, the sponge makes my skin feel so nice and soft afterwards, and I struggle a lot with whiteheads, so that's what the sponge basically is there for. You don't have to use this, you can just use your hands. This is just an extra step that I do for myself. So I'm going to go and rinse my face now, and I'll be back in a second. Okay guys, so this is how my skin immediately looks after washing it. So when I get to my sink, I basically just wash my face like normal, and then I go in with the cleanser again and rinse my face again. This is just to make sure it's like super clean. This is like my way of like double cleansing, but it's not double cleansing. It's just washing my face twice with the same cleanser. Okay guys, now listen up carefully. This toner is for the people that are serious. Like, if you want your skin to be even, please go and purchase this toner. This is the glycolic acid toner from The Ordinary. You guys, I don't know how many videos I've made about this now. You know I'm not playing. This is not sponsored, by the way. This is just some good stuff. Like, this works. This is absolutely amazing. So what I do with this is I basically apply it onto a cotton pad, and then I apply it onto my skin. So it's very easy to use. You just want to open up the bottle. It's got like a nice little twisty top, and then you want to apply it onto the cotton pad, and then you want to apply it onto your skin. So I just brush it along like this. Is when you apply it onto your skin, wait about 10 minutes before you jump into your next step. The reason being is this allows the product to absorb into your skin. When I started taking my skincare serious, it took me such a long time to get clear skin, and that's because I would just jump into my next step. I didn't know how to apply these products properly is basically what I'm trying to say. When I say properly, I just mean basically let it sit on your skin and then go into your next step. Now, after toner, you want to use a serum. Now, the serum for me, the one that is my ride or die, this is a daily serum. This is the Niacinamide serum from The Ordinary. Again, niacinamide. Niacinamide brightens the skin. Now you can use this daily because it's safe to do so. With the toner, sorry, I forgot to mention, you want to use this 3 to 4 times a week because it's very, very strong and you don't want to give yourself any kind of like burns. So make sure you're using it like 3 to 4 times a week. But this one is daily. I use this day and night time. And like I said, it keeps my skin nice and even. This is what I do, and then I let this sit for 10 minutes. So yes, so you wanted to sit here and wait for it to do its thing. Okay, so next up is moisturizer, and I use the Aveeno daily moisturizing lotion. And you're probably wondering, like, why do you use this one? This one doesn't do anything in terms of like brightening the skin. No, it doesn't. However, I need to use this because I have quite sensitive skin, and because I've gone in basically with 3 steps of active ingredients. I've gone in with vitamin C, I've gone in with niacinamide, I've gone in with glycolic acid. Do you know what I mean? Like, you don't want to overdo it. It will oversensitize your skin and you might react. So you need something that will basically calm your skin down. So I like to use this one because it's got oatmeal in it, and oatmeal is basically amazing for the skin because it calms your skin down. If you've got any redness, any kind of like irritation, this is what you need. Slap it on and this will calm it down. So this is why I use this moisturizer. So next up, I go in with a facial oil. Now, I'm not just using any kind of like facial oil or something that, you know, will make my skin look good. No, you want to go into the facial oil that's got some brightening properties again. So I go in with the Rosehip seed oil from The Ordinary. And guys, the reason why I use a lot of The Ordinary products, I'm not sponsored by them at all. It's just because their products are good for sensitive skin. They don't have fragrance. They don't have no added extra stuff that you don't even need. Take it from me, someone that has sensitive skin, I've not reacted to literally any of The Ordinary products. So that's why I'm using the Rosehip seed oil. This one is really, really fantastic as your finishing step. Like, it does brighten your skin. Like, I have noticed a difference. I probably use Rosehip seed oil for like 3 years now, to be honest. I started using this at university. Same with the niacinamide. I've been using this since university times, and both of these are really, really good. So guys, this is basically all the products onto my skin. This is how my skin is looking. So I did want to mention this is a nighttime routine, you guys. That's probably why I'm not putting sunscreen on. But say if I wanted to do this during the day, I will film probably another one for the day. I wouldn't put this toner on. It's too strong for the daytime, so I would take out this and then I would add some sunscreen. So I would go in with some Hawaiian tropic sunscreen, or any kind of sunscreen really, it doesn't matter. You guys probably have questions such as like, when will I see results? Like me personally, when I started using this routine consistently, I started to see results within 4 weeks. I would say give it 4 to 6 weeks. That's like the safe zone of like when you should review something. If you're doing it during the day and you don't wear sunscreen, it's not really going to do anything for you, if I'm honest. If anything, it might make it worse. So just make sure you've got like an SPF of like SPF 50 and above is what I would say, especially if you're in a hot country. That's basically what's gonna block out those sun rays. So you guys, that's basically me all done. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. This is the end of it now. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section and I will get back to you, or let me know on Instagram. I'm not really active on Instagram like that, so please bear with me. Like, I do eventually get back to you, but yes, I think the best bet is probably leave a comment down below, but you can also DM me and I will get back to you. So yeah, and I'll catch you on my next video.